Alright, here's the new ride getting built. 2024 YFZ450R. This will be the first YFZ450R that I've ever had. Tons of carbureted ones. Raptor, Banshee, Blaster, ATC 250R, TRX 250R. But this will be the first of these for me to give a shot and see if we can make this thing work. Gonna do a little bit to it, not as much as we did to the Raptor, but we'll get started here and we'll show you. Or I'll show you, I guess. So I know there's a ton of videos on installing these HMF exhausts, but a couple things I just thought I would show you real quick. You are definitely going to want to loosen the header pipe in order to slip on this mid pipe, which is right here. And you're going to put the small clamp over the mid pipe, and you are not going to use the gasket that came with the original silencer. And here's the original silencer and that gasket, so you do not need that. Then you can see the clamp, which is the bigger one on the silencer itself, is loose, and the mid clamp is loose. And the other thing I wanted to show you is you want to make sure you can see the mounting right here. You see the collar is going to be on the inside of the bracket and towards the subframe. So I just want to make sure I show you that, and that's all there is to it. And one other thing, wear gloves when you install the silencer so that you don't get discoloration marks when you start up the bike, all right? Another thing to show you here is the clearance between the shock spring and the mid pipe. So make sure you've got clearance, and you also need to have clearance between the piggyback of the shock and the upper part of the mid pipe. Let me show you. So you can see it there. You want to make sure that's not touching, hitting against it. It's really close, so just make sure you're paying attention to that before you tighten everything up. Okay, now everything's tightened up and you can see this clamp. You're going to want to make sure you push that in towards the motor so the end of the bolt doesn't hit you in the leg. So, and then now we can take a look at this clearance that I was talking about now that everything's tightened and cinched down. And you can see nice and clear of everything. So anyway, hope that kind of helps you. It really looks cool. Yeah, we got some more stuff we're going to put on here, and we'll keep on trucking.